Hi all, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I just want to share with you this AI pilot, right? This AI pilot is amazing tool whereby you can easily deploy an AI assistant expert bot, or we call it AI expert bot, in any niche with just a click, right? So the software is to help you to create and deploy an AI expert bot, and this AI expert bot can help you to perform over 50 tasks, right? Power or AI, right? So click the link below this video. You're going to come to this page. Just say it's the world's first AI app, right? Allowed to make over 200 hands-free per day, right? So no coding, no designing, no writing. Right, we can deploy AI expert bot in any niche. One keyword generate complete funnel. The AI can generate help you to generate complete funnel, website, landing page, and more. So no zero, just a zero may no work. And what else is here is a one-time price site for this offer. And what the only twist that to follow. Deploy AI expert tool in niche, and we write design code, or it will do anything for you. So log in to the tools, right? Deploy any AI expert bot in any niche, right? It can the AI expert chatbot create and run an entire business for you. Right. So let's look at this. So this is what it can do. So it comes together with the AI assistant. And with this one click, you can deploy this AI assistant, right? You have 50, can deploy 50 plus expert chatbot, right? This AI expert will help you create and run a business from scratch, like lead you with the help of AI expert. So it can generate voice over, flipbook, interactive elements, social proof, business ID, funnel, website, landing page, generate content, code, design, chatbot, tons and tons of functions here, right? So I think total have over 30. So this is a one-time special offer, right? There's no monthly fee, right? Only 16.95, right? Right, so pretty cool app if you are looking for AI powers tools, right? I will highly recommend this, right? And this offer also comes with some bonuses. AI pilot 6-figure in 60-day live event and fixed AI chatbot, right? And this is really value for money tools, right? And come with the money back guarantee also, right? So what you're going to get here is a chatbot and 85 in one feature. So there's more than 85 AI features here for performing any task, right? AI pilot, AI traffic, pilot, AI chatbot monetization, right? Training video all come together on the 16.95. So pretty cool offer, and also you pick up this offer where the link below my video, you're going to get my exclusive bonus bundle with agency like all these job water, business talk, live chat, inbox, right? Local business contact, WP local, team portal, and also foodie agency, right? And also some other bonuses like how to make 100 order per day online, and I get my ChatGPT prompt bundle also, right? I'm selling this on one of my product, and but I'm giving you this for free. If you don't know how to write prompt to ChatGPT, I'm giving you the bundle, right? And tons of other bonuses together have more than close to 100 bonuses item here. So very simple to get this bonus. Just click the link below this video. We come to the AI pilot and just purchase the AI pilot. You're going to get the bonuses that come together. Also, they have some bonuses here also, and you're going to get along the bonuses or the bonuses I have bundled together. Total is only 70 bucks, right? And you're going to get everything done from you, right? You don't have to figure out to learn how to use AI tool, that tool, because it come together with a simplified interface, the training, everything have been bundled together in one single tool for you to actually do make use of AI to increase your business productivity and marketing. Right. So that's all. And before I end, let me quickly show to you of the demo here, right, to give you a better understanding of the tools, right? Okay, I will mute myself here, right? So there are tons of tools here, right? And in one single dashboard, you can just easily access whether you want to speech to text or want to voice over, right? Things like that, right? So everything can be found inside the one single dashboard if using this AI, right? One single dashboard and one time cost only, right? And you don't have to pay extra, right? And it is sufficient for your daily use, right? If you're looking for something to make your life easy, content creation, be it, right? And that's it. And yeah, so you can get video tutorial here, bonuses is all here also, support and new package upgrade. So I play this lemma video below this uh below my video, and you can take a time to actually watch back or watch again on this tutorial video, right? And this lemma video, right? Right, so that's all for the AI pilot. If you're interested to leverage on the power of AI tool and in this one single AI tool, you can actually make use of it to actually to help you to speed up some of the the so-called the tasks, right? The daily tasks, right? And yeah, definitely, yeah, this is something you shouldn't miss, right? And yep, jump on it one time price and going to get all my modules together, right? So that's all for today's video. I will see you in the next video. Thank you and have a nice day.